with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another plan with me. We're going to be doing July 28th through the 3rd of August. So I did an ATC card using this, and I will post that for you soon. But I wanted to show you how easy it is. It's just a few stickers, how you can decorate your planner. So I'm going to use big, nice stickers. So I'm going to use this guy here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use half of this side and half of the other side. And only use a couple stickers because I want to make sure I leave enough room for my planning here. So I think I'm gonna go a little bit lower here. We're gonna go right there, just like that. And then I'm gonna go through here and look at a couple others and see if there's anything that I really want to make sure is on here. So, and they all go so well together, which is what I love. I think I will use one of these and put it just right in here. Okay, I know, silly, but I don't like covering up the days of the week. So I'm going to move that just a little bit here. Hopefully I don't tear it all to pieces. But sometimes quick and easy isn't as quick and easy as you want it to be. But I'm taking it off very slowly and just peeling it to where it's not going to tear, because that part I already kind of tore. And really, if I wanted to, I could just cut off that little leaf, but I like the whole thing. And all I need to do is move it just a tad. So I'm going to start not covering that up. And then I'm going to put this piece, and then that piece. And there we go. Just like that. And I'm going to choose one of these girls here. And I don't know, I think this one is so pretty. It's another nice big sticker. And this is just when you are needing some time, right? Because you might have a busy week or something like that, but you still want to have your planner decorated. I think we've got that, and I'm going to add one more, something up here, and then we'll be done. I'm looking at the words is what I might want to have up here. I'm going to go through real quick, see if there's any words other than what we just saw. Ooh, maybe a butterfly. I think that might have been all the words that we had there. Okay, I lied. I'm going to use some other stickers that are going to fit nicely, so I can use them for things to do. So this will actually help me out in planning. I think I'll use one more. with this one. And I'll put this one, I'll put it right here actually. So look at how quick, look how easy, look how pretty, and it's all done. It's got nice sayings. I could still write over this if I wanted to, but I've left myself some room where I can write things in almost every box, probably except for this box. But even then, if I wanted to write, I could still write with like a Sharpie marker. So that is my quick and easy plan for the week using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's only 6 stickers. And that was from the sticker book, The Song of Time. I did get it on Amazon if you are interested. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.
You like watching me